Alright, I just got back from a ride, and as I said in the last video, I had adjusted the suspension. It came at 0 from the factory, it goes up to 20. I put it at 5 just to see if that would make any difference, and it actually made quite a bit of difference. I might try it another step up and move it up to 10 and see how that goes, but I dressed very inappropriately for the temperature tonight, so it wasn't a super long ride, but it was nice, as it always is. Now, to adjust the suspension, you have to take off this saddlebag here, and right behind it is the crank that you use to adjust it. It's very simple. You don't even have to do the other side. You just do the one, and that's it. You take the knobs off from inside the saddlebag, and that's basically it. It's very simple, and it makes the ride a lot nicer. I would highly recommend it. I'm going to do it in another video, but I also used the quad lock for the first time today. It definitely is a good, solid place to put your phone. It holds it very well. No complaints there. I had to adjust it several times on the ride, so I had to pull over and kind of tweak it a little bit. I'll go into that more because I had to buy basically every mounting accessory that they make just to get it to kind of do what I want to do. And I'm going to try a couple of different setups as far as the mounting goes, so that's another reason I kind of want to wait to go into that, because I'm basically just using the mirror mount right now, although I had to put on spacers and buy an additional bar because there's just no way it would fit without it. So I had to buy several additional pieces just to get this one to work. I also got the 360 setup from them. I'm going to try that later on. I'm going to ride with this one to see if I like it. I do and I don't, because it's in a good position, but it's also kind of distracting. And another part of the reason I didn't like the Street Glide when I went and tested that out was, you know, that took away from the ride and that feeling of just you in the road. So we're gonna have to make some adjustments there. So it's probably not going to be on the handlebars for too much longer, but I don't know. We'll see. It holds the phone well, but I have kind of a long list of complaints about it, but we'll get into that later. But as of right now, I would say adjust your suspension. If you have a brand new Harley, especially a touring model, and you haven't done that, I would recommend just trying it out. Go ride 40 miles or so and just see how it feels, because for me it made an enormous difference, and yeah, I would highly recommend it.